Adventures can take you to some pretty peculiar places. And in Washington, these guys don't want to get wet. On an adventure, Carl. We're going on an adventure. What do you think? All right. For today's adventure, we are going to venture down to downtown Olympia. Admittedly, I have lived in the area for 6 going on 7 years now, and I pass by it all the time, but I've never gone in. So let's go check out some vinyl. See what else they have. I don't know. Come with me. All right, Rainy Day Records since 1973. And it looks like they've got several different animals. Maybe celebrating a 50th birthday, it looks like.
I kind of thought we'd be less
Big
busy.
Bird. Now open, 11 to 6 daily. 7 days a week. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, let's go. Not only do they have records, they have some fun stuff. They got some Gremlins too. Green Day. Oh man, that's pretty great. Of course, we got some Lana Del Rey. Might have to pick this one up. Now this is a gem. Labyrinth, David Bowie. Yes, gem. Rambo. May have to get this one. Since we were just at Bing Crosby's house yesterday, pretty appropriate. We have a pretty good vintage ET up there. See those Ghostbusters. Pee-wee. Some Beatles. And a Pillsbury, some Smurf. Gremlins. Oh man. Look at that VHS tape player. That's Pee-wee though. Pretty here. That Rainy Day Records has got a video rental club. R.I.P. Blockbuster. If you want to rent, you can do it here at Rainy Day Records. And a children's play area, you know. For when you're looking at vinyl and you want your kid to play with that. Beetlejuice the musical. Kinda love it. Let's see what else we got here. Clueless. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is a good one. Officially hit the Pacific Northwest collection. We got the Goonies soundtrack, and then we also got Twin Peaks. I think I'm gonna need both of these. For sure, the Goonies. I also found some Pee-wee back to school. Excellent add to the collection for a small price of $25.99. I love it. There's the Capitol Theater that is right down the street. Still there, still showing movies. Some staff pics. It's a pretty awesome space. Look at that. Pretty fascinating. They also have not only records, which I'm picking up a few of, they've got a little photo booth, some supplies. It's pretty poppin'. Aiden's Island. And they've got a dog. A little dog. And they've got some vintage equipment, which I kind of love. That is horrifying. There's Fozzie. Fozzie at the Grand Canyon. Some classic cassettes. 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. Trying to find one that stands out to me, but oh, there's Pull. Got some, got a few records here from Rainy Day, and pretty stoked, pretty excited. It's like a really cool place. Still have some Christmas stuff up, but I just love this window. Hold on a second, let me show you. He's pretty great. That's the best right there. There's also a Orca Books. They've got a pretty amazing mural over here. Look at that. We're gonna have to check that out next time. Hello, Panther. An orca. And don't forget about Annie Flats. I assume somebody named Annie might live there. Maybe. We also have a vintage antique store up here too. I have to pop into that.